Why's the light off?
I don't know.
Welcome to another video, another vlog, another episode of the Target Designs. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for staying tuned. I know I've been absent for a while, but I'm trying to bring videos back. All right, so today we have a 240 here we're working on that belongs to David. They got hit about 3 weeks ago. Got it repaired, but we didn't do the paint job. Somebody else did. And I'm gonna pause until the compressor's done making all that noise. Alright, so while the compressor's making all that ruckus out there, we'll just come to the office for a little while. Yes, we have an office at the shop. I am gonna bring you guys a video sometime in the next 2 weeks explaining exactly what our Tarky Designs is about. Because I don't think a lot of people are grasping it. Alright, but anyway, yeah, when it's done, we go back out here and I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright, follow me. Alright, so this is the KVD urethane body kit. The one that comes full up in a small box and you gotta put it in the sun to bake or whatever. But they didn't use any adhesion promoter. So it's all flaking off. We gotta get it back down to original and like over here. Look at that. It's just flaking off. So, I'm gonna get a sander down and, oh my gosh. Wow. This is coming off. Yep. So, we're gonna take it back down to original. Adhesion promoter, prime, or better yet sealer, and then make it look like what it's supposed to look like. Alright, so Carlos here is going to show us what happens when you don't use adhesion promoter on polyurethane parts. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Look at that. That's what happens when you don't use adhesion promoter. So we got to go strip all these down and do them from scratch. I want to show you guys how bad this is. I just pulled the strip off. Look at this. Carlos, look at this. And this was supposed to be professionally painted. you know how to do it today. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Love you guys coming back time and time again. Let's keep our subscriber count going up and keep sharing the videos. Please comment, please. Let me know what you think I could be doing better. I need that. And you know, what else you guys want to see? Because around here, that's why it's called the Enthusiast Car Channel. Okay? That's why I named it that way. Enthusiast Car Channel. Different vehicles every week. So here you go. I think this is a 91, if I'm not mistaken, 240 SX. We had to clean up the bumpers. It's a KBD body kit. They didn't do a good job the first time around, so we stripped it down back to bare. Adhesion promoter, primer, and laid base and clear. So customer's happy with it. He's coming to pick it up in about 20 minutes. And that's it. But hey, appreciate y'all coming back. Thank you. And y'all stay safe.